The single biggest factor in solo hiking survival isn't your gear. It's whether someone knows exactly when to call search and rescue if you don't return. When you hike alone, a simple twisted ankle isn't just an inconvenience. It becomes a survival scenario. Without a partner to run for help or lean on, your margin for error drops to almost zero. You must change your mindset from exploration to risk management. Rule 1 is conservative trail selection. For your first few solo trips, ignore the remote wilderness. You need a trail that acts as a safety net, providing natural barriers and traffic. Rule 2 is the trip plan. This is non-negotiable. You must leave a physical or digital note with a reliable contact who is not on the hike. If you are overdue, this specific data is what saves your life. Rule 3. Respect the turnaround time. Before you step out of the car, set a hard time limit for your return leg. If you haven't reached the summit or viewpoint by that time, you turn around immediately. Solo hikers cannot afford to get caught in the dark. If you do get lost or injured, your biggest enemy is panic. Rushing blindly makes you more lost and burns critical energy. You must override the instinct to run and engage your logical brain. This brings us to Rule 4, the S.T.O.P protocol. At the first sign of confusion, stop moving. You cannot figure it out while walking. Follow these steps to regain control of the situation. Rule 5 concerns gear redundancy. When alone, you are the backup. Relying on a single phone for navigation is negligent. Batteries die and screens crack. You need a secondary way to find your location. Before you head out alone, run through this final decision checklist. If you cannot say yes to all 5, find a partner or choose a safer local park. Plan the hike. Hike the plan. Come home safe.